Well, according to the previous owners, this is a bad computer. Why? What did you do, computer? Did you slow down? Were you caught with porn? Oh, tisk, tisk, tisk. Well, I suppose if we're going to find out why you were a bad computer, we're just going to have to scrap you and figure it out. Alright, first things first, we get the screws out of the power supply. And then the shell opens up. And it's, you know, pretty unimpressive. Power supply, motherboard, cooling fan, CPU, some RAM. All right, let's see what we got. I still don't know why it was a bad computer. All right, no hard drive. We interrupt this regular scrapping broadcast to bring you this important weather announcement. There's a tropical disturbance forming right over top of the shark scrapper. Well, this is as of Sunday, August 30th. It is expected to move out into the ocean and develop even further, but I just thought it was kind of cool when I got up this morning and had my coffee and saw that there was a tropical disturbance forming right over top of me. Okay, let's get back to scrapping. Yeah, man. Got some SATA cables, and you're not gold plated, and you're not gold, so that's why no gold plated. Not at all impressed with that. Insulated copper wire. Power supply. Let's see what kind of RAM we're talking about here. 2 gigabyte PC3, so that'll be bound for Keith, romantic channel. Are you also 2? Yep, so we got two 2 gigabyte sticks here. See what kind of CPU we got. Intel cooler. This looks like it's going to be an I series of some sort. i3. i3 540. i3 540. This goes right into the special holding place. Because I sell functional boards and such to Keith at Romantic channel. I treat those i-series CPUs very carefully. Oops. You can always tell when you missed one. Alright, so that board is actually in pretty good condition. It's an Intel desktop board, 01. I'll probably send a picture of it over to Keith, have him take a look at it, see if he wants to try to do something with it. If not, it'll just go to my yard as a high-grade board. I'll hold it up a little closer. Keith, you can even take a look at it if you want while you're watching this. Let me know if you think this is a board you'd be interested in purchasing. Don't forget, if you're selling to board sort, or probably even your local yard, you need to remove that little button battery that's on the boards. Screw comes out better when you actually have the screwdriver in the holes. CD-ROM, faceplate. Looks like we got a little low-grade board here. Yeah, just a little low-grade interface board. This is trash, plastic. Metal shell is empty now. Let's see how tiny this CD-ROM board is. Look at how tiny that board is. Oh man. Oh well. Still, it goes in with the CD-ROM boards. And let's see, there's a little bit of gold on this. So we put the gold there to take off the gold fingers there. And we take off the brass spindle. On that one, little brass spindle right there. You don't want to play, so just put you right back in there. Oh, look at that. We've got brass standoffs in here. So those are always nice. When you find those, always take a look after you take that motherboard out and see if those standoffs are brass. And just because they're silver colored, because some of them will be silver colored, but they will still be brass. So don't let the color fool you. Okay. You're asking yourself, why am I wasting time taking off that plastic cone? Well, because now I can close it up tighter. That's the only reason. Oops. There we go. Nice clean empty shell there. This we turn into a motor. So we take off the plastic. That's an aluminum heatsink. Goes in the aluminum heatsink bucket. Wire goes in with the insulated copper wire. This is trash. Now my yard, both my primary and my secondary yard, takes this now as a electric motor, or small copper motor, or small motor. Your yard will have various classifications for it. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. That's that little button down in the lower right. Hit that bell with the all indicator so you don't miss a single episode. And there's a big old link popping up for you to see more of my e-waste scrapping videos. And we'll see how this tropical disturbance turns out in the week ahead. Have a great day, everyone.